Creating a new construction or major renovation project in Mint. This video steps through the process of creating a new construction or major renovation project in the Mint portion of the OLC. To complete these steps, you'll need to have a user account for the OLC and have installed the OLC's Mint application on your laptop or tablet. This video will start with a project that has already been synced to Mint. If you are unsure of the process for starting a project in the Hancock Cloud portion of the OLC, please review parts 1 and 2 of this series entitled Creating and Submitting a Retrofit Lighting Project. These steps are the same for both retrofit and new construction projects. Lighting code information, allowances in watts per square foot, can be obtained via local authorities or the use of ComCheck, a free online tool. Trade Allies contractors can provide details on the installed or proposed lighting equipment. Step 1. Open Mint on your tablet or desktop. Locate the correct application in Mint and click View Project. If you don't see your project in Mint, double check that you've assigned yourself the assessment task in the cloud and synced. Step 2. Click on Building Info. Scroll past the fields in the general area. These are calculated fields that won't populate until after the new construction measure information is added. In the baseline eligibility section, answer the 5 required questions marked with red rectangles. Answering any of these questions with a yes identifies the project as new construction or major renovation. Please note that the 5th question relates to Oregon's ban on purchasing fluorescents. Except for schools and other exempt sites, all projects in Oregon replacing existing fluorescent fixtures will be considered major renovations, which are treated just the same as new construction projects. The baseline will be applicable codes. Step 3. Complete the project information and space conditioning sections. A reminder that for new construction lighting projects, the estimated or actual project cost field should reflect the incremental project cost calculated for the project. Please refer to section 8.3.1 of the implementation manual for a detailed description of options for calculating incremental project cost. Once you're done completing these fields, click the back arrow. Step 4. From the home screen, click Items, click the Area slide, and then click the green plus circle. In the area box, enter a name for the area. Note, unlike retrofit projects, new construction projects will only ever use a single area and a single measure, so naming conventions for these are not as critical. Click on the plus sign for new construction. Step 5. Enter a value in the hours field that reflects typical operations over the course of a year. Don't forget to account for holidays, cleaning, controls, etc. Enter the information for the interior allowances, total watts, power, watts of installed items, and square footage of the affected area. Allowances are from local codes or standard practice information. For this demo, information was entered into ComCheck to show both the whole building and space-by-space allowances. BPA will accept either whole building or space-by-space calculations. Utilities can choose either option. If you are a trade ally, we recommend contacting the site's electrical provider to confirm the approach the utility wants before providing estimates to your customers. For this example, the whole building outputs from the ComCheck analysis will be entered. Then the installed proposed wattage totals from the proposed lighting design will be entered. Step 6. Enter the values for the exterior. Enter the exterior allowance watts, power, watts of installed items, and square footage of affected areas. Please note, 4,380 hours per year is the standard value for exterior measures. If your project doesn't include any exterior work, you can enter 0 for both the code allowance and the proposed wattage. When completed, click Done. A reminder that incremental costs should be entered for new construction or major renovation projects. Also, don't forget to upload cost documentation into the OLC. If you're done with the project, mark it done and sync it back to the cloud. To move the project to the utility review stage, Start with video number 5 in the Retrofit Project Submittal video series. Congratulations on learning how to enter new construction projects. If you have questions, please email us at lighting@bpa.gov.